Section 3.4 is on adding and subtracting polynomials. The first thing that we're going to look at is adding polynomials. And if you can see by my definition next to it, I just say combine like terms, okay, which is a lot of what we've been doing lately. But really, adding two polynomials is just that, combining the terms that they have that are alike and writing your answer in descending order. The problem will look like this. You'll have 5x squared minus 2x plus 1 plus negative 6x squared plus x minus 1. Okay, so you'll see two polynomials in parentheses, the plus sign between those two. Okay, the problem may actually say add in front of it, or could just say simplify. If you are just adding, as we are here, you could drop the parentheses and just write 5x squared minus 2x plus 1 minus 6x squared plus x minus 1. Notice my signs in the second polynomial stayed exactly the same when I rewrote those. Just did not need to write the plus sign. And so now it's just like simplifying one big polynomial. What do I have that I can put together? Well, I have a 5x squared, a negative 6x squared. Combine like terms just based on the signs of each term. So that would give you negative 1 x squared. Then I look at what would come next. Finish with those two. I have a negative 2x, a positive 1x, which would be a negative 1x. So we're finished with those two. Okay, then I have a positive 1 and a negative 1, which will automatically subtract out since the signs are different. So my answer would just be negative x squared minus x. Okay, we've combined like terms, and the answer is in descending order. Okay, that is all you'll have to do on these. All right, let's look at 3x to the 5th minus 7x cubed plus 2x minus 1 plus 3x cubed minus 2x. Okay, again, it doesn't have to be the same type of polynomial that you're adding together. Like here I have a polynomial with a binomial. Okay, that's perfectly fine. I would just want to look at what terms do I have that are alike that I can put together. Now it's up to you if you want to rewrite the whole problem. You can, like I did on A, or you can just go through and pick out, is there anything that would go with 3x to the 5th? No, that's the only x to the 5th term. So it's going to go first. Then I move to negative 7x to the 3rd. Is there a term that I can combine with that? And that would be 3x to the 3rd. Negative 7, positive 3 would give me negative 4x to the 3rd. Notice my exponent is not changing. Then I move to 2x. Positive 2x, negative 2x. That's going to subtract out of the problem. The negative 1 is the only constant, so it's going to come down. So my answer would be 3x to the 5th minus 4x cubed minus 1. Okay, all like terms are combined, and the answer is written in descending order. Okay, let's say if we have a squared minus ab plus 4b squared plus 6a squared plus 8ab minus b squared. Okay, again, we're adding, so we want to look at what terms can we combine. I would begin with the a squared. In the other polynomial, I have a positive 6a squared. Both positive means I'm going to add, keep the variable. So 7a squared. Then I have a negative ab, a positive 8ab which means I would subtract, take the sign of the higher number, so that's going to be a positive 7ab. Finish with those two. Next, we have a 4b squared and a negative 1b squared. Subtract, take the sign of the higher number, 3b squared. If I look at my answer, it is in descending order according to A. Okay, so if you have two different variables, you will want to put it in order based on one of the variables. And typically we do alphabetical order. So that means A squared, then this term has A, this term has no A's. So this would be our final answer. Okay, so this is adding polynomials. Part 2 will be on subtraction.